Hello, little explorers! Are you ready to dive deep into the ocean, lakes, and rivers with me? Today, we're going to meet 40 amazing water animals. Let's get started! First, let's dive into the big blue ocean. Look at the dolphins. They're super smart and love to jump out of the water. They can even talk to each other with clicks and whistles. Whoa, here comes a shark! Don't worry, not all sharks are scary. Some are friendly and just want to swim around. Do you see that little orange fish? That's a clownfish, just like Nemo. They live in sea anemones, which keep them safe. Wow, an octopus! They have 8 arms and can change color to hide from enemies. Isn't that cool? Watch out for the jellyfish! They look like floating umbrellas, but be careful, they can sting. Here's a sea turtle slowly swimming by. They have been around since the time of dinosaurs. Look at the starfish. They have 5 arms and can even grow a new one if they lose one. Whoa, that's a whale, the biggest animal on Earth. Some whales can be as big as 3 school buses. Here's a seahorse, tiny and cute. Did you know? The dads carry the babies in their bellies. Look at the crab with its big claws. Crabs walk sideways and love to hide in the sand. Now, let's swim into rivers and lakes. Ribbit, ribbit! There's a frog hopping along the water. Frogs can live in water and on land. This is a salmon, a fish that swims from the ocean to rivers to lay eggs. They're great travelers. Look at the beaver, busy building a dam. Beavers have big teeth and love to chew on wood. Whoa, a crocodile! They have big mouths and lots of sharp teeth. Be careful around them. Here's an otter playing and sliding on its belly. They love to have fun in the water. Quack, quack! There's a duck paddling with its webbed feet. Ducks can swim, fly, and walk. Can you spot the alligator? They look like crocodiles, but have a wider nose. Here comes an eel, slithering like a snake in the water. Eels are great at hiding in rocks. This is a trout, a fish that loves cold water. They have colorful spots on their bodies. Look at this strange animal. It's a platypus. It has a duckbill, webbed feet, and it lays eggs. Whoa, it's dark down here. Look, an anglerfish with a glowing light on its head. It uses it to catch food. Here's a lobster crawling on the ocean floor. They have big claws and are super strong. Ouch! Be careful with the sea urchin. It's covered in sharp spines. But don't worry, they're not mean. Look at the squid with long tentacles. Squids can squirt ink to escape from predators. See the colorful coral? Coral looks like plants, but they're actually tiny animals living together. Here's a sea cucumber. They're soft and squishy and can hide from enemies by changing shape. Wow, a manta ray! They look like they're flying underwater with their wide wings. Here's a goblin shark with a long, pointy nose. They live deep, deep in the ocean. Watch your step! This is a stonefish, one of the most poisonous fish. It looks just like a rock. Look at the sea snail, slowly crawling with its shell on its back. They move very, very slowly. Waddle, waddle! Here come the penguins. They can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers. Look at the polar bear, the king of the Arctic. They have thick fur to keep them warm. Here's a walrus with big tusks and a wrinkly face. They love to lounge on ice. Look at the beluga whale, known as the canary of the sea, because it sings. Wow, a narwhal! It's called the unicorn of the sea because of its long spiral tusk. Here's a seal, sliding on the ice. They have blubber to keep them warm in cold water. This is an Arctic cod, swimming in the chilly water. They have special antifreeze in their blood. Look at the snow crab with its long legs. They live in the coldest parts of the ocean. Here's an orca, also known as a killer whale. They are great hunters and love to swim in groups. Wow, that was an incredible adventure. Which water animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to join us on more amazing journeys. Bye for now, little explorers.